Understanding Wishing You Well, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and heartfelt phrase in English, wishing you well. This phrase is not just about the words but also about the sentiment behind them. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and the context in which it's appropriate. Wishing you well is a phrase that conveys hope and goodwill towards someone else. It's often used to express that you hope the other person experiences positive outcomes or good health. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations, from casual conversations to more formal settings. Casual conversations. In informal situations, wishing you well can be a way to show care and support for someone. For example, if a friend is going through a tough time, saying, "I'm wishing you well," shows empathy and concern. Professional contexts. In a professional setting, this phrase is a respectful and kind way to end a conversation, email, or meeting. It conveys a sense of goodwill without being overly personal. Health-related situations. When someone is ill or recovering from an illness, wishing you well is a common expression to show that you hope for their speedy recovery. There are several variations of wishing you well that you might encounter. Phrases like best wishes, hope all is well, or take care carry a similar sentiment. Each variation has a slightly different tone but generally conveys the same message of goodwill and positive intentions. While wishing you well is a positive phrase, it's important to be aware of the cultural context. In some cultures, direct expressions of care and concern are highly valued, while in others, they might be perceived as too personal. Always consider the relationship and the cultural background of the person you're speaking to. Wishing you well is a beautiful, versatile phrase that conveys care, concern, and goodwill. It's suitable for a variety of situations and is a great addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using this phrase effectively. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about communicating feelings and building relationships. Keep practicing, and wishing you all well in your English learning journey.